Hey guys, welcome back to Just Aviation, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Gemini Jet's Qantaslink Boeing 717-200 in the new silver Roo livery. I've been really excited about this model because it's my second Gemini Jets model, and it's a 717, which is one of my favorite aircraft. Yeah, I got this model off Hobbyco for around $33, and yeah, the original price was $66, so I got a 50% discount on it, so really good price. And Hobbyco is in Sydney, so yeah, it wasn't too far from me. So now that I've given you a bit of background information about the model itself, I'll give you a detailed review of the box. Over here we've got the Gemini Jets logo, you've got Gemini Jets' slogan, made for collectors by collectors, you've got a digitalized image of the aircraft, we've got the Boeing trademarks, we've got the Qantas logo, and we've got a tab saying 1 to 400 scale die-cast model aircraft. To the back, we don't have much, it's just some information of the aircraft. Probably the most major thing over here is that it indicates an aircraft is an officially licensed product of Qantas, that's why the box is white. As well as this, the aircraft is a 29 Gemini Jets release. The side of the box is practically the same, it's just got a digitalized image of the aircraft, some barcodes and some little information by Gemini Jets. A really cool feature of Gemini Jets models are that all the boxes have a little tab over here which give you information about the aircraft. If you would like to read the information, please pause now. And yeah. So now that I've shown you the box, I will just unbox the aircraft. So now that I've unboxed the aircraft, I'll show you the aircraft inside. By the way, this time it wasn't very hard to open the packaging, but the Qantas A380 was a pretty big nightmare. So yeah. On top of the aircraft, we've got this absolutely massive piece of plastic. And yeah, that's a really reassuring sign. And yeah, we've got the aircraft. So I'll just pick it off from the back of the tail, and yeah. As well as this, we had another plastic going underneath the aircraft, or it's silhouetting the aircraft undercarriage. Yeah, so because the model's small, I'll just give you a close-up. So here is the model. It's really nice at first appearance, so yeah. By the way, this is the cargo side of the aircraft. So here we've got the cockpit windows, which are really nice, and the nose is really nice as well. We've got some pitot tubes. We've got the name of the aircraft, which is really small, so can't really identify it. On the front landing gear, we've got the last two letters, or actually the last three letters of the registration, which is NXD, and we've got the front landing gear. Moving across, we've got one of the doors, and yeah, that's really nice. We then have some windows, and on top of that, we've got the Qantaslink titles in the silver Roo livery, which is really, really nice. We then have another cargo door over here. And yeah, moving across, we've got two exit doors and then the wing. The wing's really nice, to be honest. Like, it's got a really nice feel to it. You can tell that some parts are made out of different materials, so yeah, it looks really good. And just over here below the window, we have Boeing 717 titles. And yeah, moving back to the fuselage, we've got the registration of the aircraft, VHNXD, or Victor Hotel November X-Ray Delta, and the Australian flag. And then we have one of the two Rolls-Royce BR175 engines, which are really, really nice. I'm like not even joking, it's so cool. And then we have the silver Roo over here. Well, it's red, but you get what I mean. And back to the fuselage, we've got the start of the colors of the aircraft. So we've got the silver band here, we've got the Roo, and yeah. And then over here we've got the vertical stabilizers and the horizontal stabilizers. And I've got to admit, this aircraft is looking really good. Gemini Jets has absolutely done a really good job of this. So really impressed so far. Okay, so moving back over here. We've got this white slab over here. Got a white slab over here. We've got the vertical stabilizers, and we've got the exhaust section of the engines. And yeah, so now on the other side of the aircraft, it's practically the same, we just don't have cargo doors. I really like this model. There's really no issue with it. And yeah, I believe Gemini Jets have done absolutely amazing job with the aircraft. So I give them a 9.5 out of 10 for this model. Yeah, so far I have not been disappointed by Gemini Jets. I've got one more on order. So yeah, that should be coming out in the coming weeks. So yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.